Time. We live by it, we're bound by it, and yet, we know so little about its true nature. In Hinduism, time is not just the ticking of seconds or the passing of days. It is cosmic, eternal, and cyclical. Time governs everything, from the life of a single human being to the birth and destruction of entire universes. In today's video, we will explore the profound concept of time in Hinduism. Diving deep into the Kalpa, Yugas, and the cosmic cycle. In the West, time is often viewed as linear, a straight path that moves from the past through the present to the future. But in Hindu philosophy, time is cyclical. It is like a wheel, constantly turning, with no beginning or end. This idea of cyclical time is reflected in the Sanskrit word kala, which means both time and death. It signifies the inevitability of change and transformation, a force that drives the universe itself. According to Hindu scriptures, the universe goes through continuous cycles of creation, preservation, and dissolution. These cosmic cycles are divided into vast stretches of time called Kalpa, Yugas, and Mahayugas. Let's break them one by one. The largest unit of time in Hindu cosmology is the Kalpa. A Kalpa is often referred to as the day of Brahma, the creator god in Hinduism. But when we say a day, it is far more immense than anything we can comprehend. One kalpa lasts for 4.32 billion Earth years. That's right, 4.32 billion years. This is equivalent to one full day in the life of Brahma. After this period of creation, Brahma rests for an equal period of time, known as a night of Brahma, during which the universe dissolves, only to be created again when Brahma wakes up. Together, one full day and night of Brahma last for 8.64 billion. This cycle of creation and dissolution continues endlessly, symbolizing the eternal nature of time and the impermanence of the universe. Each kalpa is further divided into smaller epochs known as yugas, where the moral and spiritual state of the world goes through dramatic change. Now, let's move to the yugas, the ages of mankind. Hinduism teaches that within each kalpa, there are repeating cycles of 4 yugas. These yugas represent a gradual decline in righteousness, spirituality, and morality. The first yuga is the Satya Yuga, also known as the Golden Age. This is an era of truth, righteousness, and purity. Dharma, the cosmic law, stands firmly on 4 legs, and life is in perfect harmony with nature and the divine. This age lasts for 1.728 million years. Next is the Treta Yuga, the Silver Age. Here, Dharma begins to wane, standing on 3 legs. This is the era where great avatars like Lord Rama appear, guiding humanity toward righteousness, but the purity of the Satya Yuga is no longer present. Treta Yuga lasts for 1.296 million years. The third Yuga is the Dvapara Yuga, or the Bronze Age. Dharma now stands on 2 legs, and the world sees further decline in virtue. This is the age of Lord Krishna, where good and evil are in constant conflict. The Dvapara Yuga lasts for 864,000 years. And finally, we arrive at the Kaliyuga, the age of darkness and ignorance, where Dharma is barely standing on one leg. This is the era we are currently living in. Morality, spirituality, and truth are at their lowest, and the world is engulfed in conflict and materialism. Kali Yuga lasts for 432,000 years, and it is believed that as this age progresses, the world will see even greater suffering, eventually leading to its dissolution and renewal. Now, what happens after Kali Yuga ends? The cycle resets. The four yugas together, Satya, Treta, Dvapara, and Kali, form what is called a Mahayuga. One complete Mahayuga lasts for 4.32 million years. After the end of each Kali Yuga, the universe transitions back into the purity of Satya Yuga, and the cycle of yugas starts again. This endless repetition of cycles mirrors the endless cycles of birth, death, and rebirth experienced by the soul, a central belief in Hinduism. When we think about time on this cosmic scale, it makes us realize how small we are in the grand design of the universe. Time in Hinduism is not just about days, years, or even lifetimes. It is about cycles that span billions and trillions of years. It teaches us that everything in existence, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, follows a rhythm of creation, preservation, and destruction. In understanding these cosmic cycles, we are reminded of the impermanence of life and the importance of living in harmony with the universe. After all, everything, whether we are aware of it or not, we are all connected to the great wheel of time. By understanding the concept of Kalpa, Yugas, and the cosmic cycles, we can begin to grasp the vastness of the universe and the deep wisdom embedded in Hindu philosophy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into Hinduism and its timeless teachings.